Hi, I'm Pam Markham, and I want to show you around my beautiful new listing at 24 Oak Creek Drive, just west of Huntsville. This wonderful vintage style farmhouse is on 10 rolling acres. Come on in and let's take a look at all the nice updates. Take a look at this gorgeous updated kitchen. Notice the quartz countertops, the black stainless appliances, very custom cabinetry with spice rack built in, nice deep drawers for storage. There's a huge pantry. Wow, this kitchen has everything for the chef and your family. Come in and relax with me in this beautiful guest bedroom. You'll notice that it has its own door and opens to its own private porch with a beautiful view of the property. What a pleasant place to spend a few days. The only problem I see with this guest bedroom is your guests may want to stay for a long time. Of course, one of the best things about this property are the vistas. There's beautiful views from every angle of the wraparound porch that goes completely around the entire house. It's just beautiful out here. You must come take a look. Thanks.